Hello, teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hi, Quincy.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes.
Your internet is
Really? But I can hear
yes.
you. I can hear you clearly. It might be your internet.
Your internet. You say my internet.
Really?
Yeah.
What about now? Is it still the same? Is it the same? Is it good now? Or still? Mm, 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 mm. Okay, Quincy. Are you ready?
Ready?
Yeah, are you ready for tonight's lesson? Very good. Long time no see, Quincy. Okay, so for tonight, we are going to continue your previous lesson. So ask and answer questions. Okay, about some more of these things. So first, at this part here, Betty's keyboard. Okay, teacher will be the one to read the question. This one here. Okay. And you will answer complete using the complete sentence. Okay?
Yes.
And then in here, you are going to ask me the question, and then teacher will be the one to answer about Betty's violin. All right. All right, Quincy?
Alright, teacher.
Okay. Are you ready?
Okay.
All right. So first question. What is the color of Betty's keyboard?
The bat, the Betty
No, my
keyboard.
dear. The color
The color is
of
of
no.
the keyboard is
Wait. I will write. Okay, so that you will know how to answer later. Sorry. Okay, Quincy, go on.
the color of the keyboard
Ay, sorry. Is
is
what's the
white.
color? No. Here. These are the answer.
Silver.
Okay,
Is silver.
is silver. Okay, correct. Now, number two. When did Betty get her keyboard? When? Betty?
Bit be got
Okay, got her.
her keyboard of last Saturday.
Okay, last Saturday.
Saturday.
Okay, next, number three. Is Betty's keyboard new or old?
Is new.
Okay, Betty's
New.
keyboard is new. Okay, next question, number four. Okay, who gave Betty's keyboard?
is your aunt?
Her aunt. Sorry.
Her aunt.
Okay. It is Betty's aunt. Okay, number 5. Where is it now? Where is Betty's keyboard now?
It is upstairs.
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 Okay. Wait. Let me just write the question, okay?
Okay.
Wait a minute. Let me write the question for each number so that you will know how to use it later. Quincy. So for number 1, what is the color of Betty's keyboard? And that's for number 1. For number 2, when did Betty get her keyboard? For number 3, does Betty's keyboard new or old? And number 4, who gave it to her? Number 5, where is Betty's keyboard now? Okay, Quincy, ready? Can you see it? Okay. So now, ready? Teacher will read again the questions and you will give me the answers about Betty's keyboard. All right?
Okay.
Okay, number 1. What is the color of Betty's keyboard?
The color of Betty's keyboard is silver.
Very good. When did Betty got her keyboard?
Betty got her keyboard last Saturday.
All right. Does Betty's keyboard new or old?
Betty's keyboard is new.
Okay. Well, who gave it to her?
It is Betty's aunt.
Where is Betty's keyboard now?
It is upstairs.
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 Okay. Good job. Now, Quincy, you will be the one to ask me the question, and teacher will be the one to answer. Okay, ready? First question about Betty's violin, okay? Okay, go answer. Ask me the question.
The Betty's violin is new or old.
Okay, Betty's violin is old.
Where
Here, my dear, at the last part.
where is Betty violin now?
Okay, Betty's violin is downstairs.
Who gave it to her?
Her, okay, it is Betty's grandfather.
When did when get
No.
when did Betty get her violin?
Okay, she got it last birthday. She got it during her last birthday.
What is the color of the petty violin?
Do not put the. What is the color of Betty's violin? Again, my dear, one more time.
What is the color of Betty's violin?
The color of Betty's violin is light brown. Okay, Kinchi? Very good. So that is how you're going to ask and answer questions. Okay? Okay, here, my dear. Let's do an animal quiz. All right? Ready?
Red.
Okay, question. Kinchi, read.
Why do African elephants have big ears?
Yes, Quincy, why do you think African elephants have big ears? Okay, read the choices. Letter A,
So they can hear better.
letter B,
Because they have them
live.
live in hot countryside to
Countries only, my dear. No, no, countryside. Live in
countries
hot countries. Okay, that's right. What about letter C?
to fly.
Okay, what is your answer?
I think it's not answer A.
Letter A?
Yes.
So they can hear better? The elephants? That's why they
Yes.
have a big ears?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, the correct answer there is letter B, Quincy. What is letter B again? What's the reason why elephants have big ears?
Because they have them live in hot countries.
Yes, my dear, that's the reason, okay? Not to hear better. Okay, what about for number 2?
What is the
Yes, largest.
largest
Mm-hmm.
animal in the ground?
World. Quincy,
World.
world. Okay, letter A.
The African elephant.
Letter B.
The blue whale.
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 The blue whale.
The giraffe.
Okay, which do you think? In the whole world, okay, what is the biggest or largest animal in the world?
Is A.
The African elephant? The African elephant, Quincy, in the whole world? Do you know what is a blue whale? Do you know, Quincy? You know blue whale? Okay, I will let you,
Yes.
you know it? Okay, let me take you. I will show you the photo of the blue whale and the African elephant. Okay? So that, where is it now? You will see the animals. Okay? Let me show you my screen. Here. African elephant. All right, this is the African elephant, Quincy. Okay. Okay. Okay, and this is the blue whale. Okay. That is a blue whale. Quincy. Okay. And then this is the giraffe. Of course, you know what is giraffe, right?
Yes.
So, among the three, Which is the biggest or the largest animal in the world?
Is blue whale.
Very good. The blue whale. It is very, very big. I think it's times three, the elephants. Okay? Okay. But the biggest animal in the land, it's elephant. Okay? Elephant
Yes.
in the land. But the largest animal all around the world, it is the blue whale. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, number three, my dear.
How long have turtles lived on a
Letter
for
A.
for million
Million.
years? Million years.
All right. Letter B.
For
Thousand.
10,000 years.
Mm-hmm. Letter C.
For billion years.
All right, my dear. So how long have creatures lived on Earth? Billion, million, thousands. Creatures like plants, animals, dinosaurs. When was it? It begins. Michi.
Uh, B.
Letter B, thousand. You choose from million or billion because letter B is wrong. Like how does the animals, the plants, the insects, I mean us, people, when it started to live on Earth, when?
Mm,
Hmm, million or billion? Just choose from A or C.
C.
C, billion years? Your answer is correct. Okay? Okay, Kunchi. Creatures started to live on Earth from billion years ago. Okay? So that's why dinosaurs lived from billion years ago. Okay, now for number four, my dear, answer the question.
Welles.
Not my dear. It's the same with this pronunciation. How do you read this?
Well.
Okay, that's the same.
Whales
Good.
and dolphin are big fish. Yes or no?
Mm. Are they a fish? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are they a fish?
Whale and dolphin are big fish.
Is it a yes or no? Again.
Yes.
No. You don't know? Dolphins, sharks, and whales, they are not fish. Quincy, they are? I sorry. Quincy, they are mammal. They are not fish. Okay? Mammal. Quincy, that's why they are not fish. Okay, last, number five. Read.
Can you spell this animal?
Spell this animal, Quincy.
Uh,
Write it on the screen. Write your answer on the screen.
Wait for me.
Yes.
Um, um, People. Is people.
Quincy, spell the word. Spell it. Write it on the screen. Show me.
He.
That's it? Quincy, is that how you spell hippo?
People.
Yeah, okay. Your spelling is. This is how you spell hippo. Look. Hippo. It's double P. Or its full name is hippopotamus. Oh,
Hippopotamus.
okay, how do you spell hippo?
Hippo.
How do you spell it? Tell me. Spell.
Hip, hippo.
I said spell. When I say spell, you're going to tell me each
H
letter.
H
Uh, Again.
Hippo.
Okay, hippopotamus. How does it spell?
Hippopotamus.
Okay, what is the name of this animal, Quincy?
Hippopotamus.
Okay, is whale, dolphins, and sharks are fish?
No,
What are they?
they are mammal.
Very good. What is the biggest or largest animal in the world?
Uh, one more time, please.
Okay, what is the biggest animal in the world?
It's the blue whale.
All right, so how long have creatures lived on Earth?
It's elephant.
No, again. How long have creatures lived on Earth? How long?
Uh, because
How long?
they
Quincy, stop. Listen to my question. How long have creatures lived on Earth?
four billion
Correct. Years ago. Okay, now, why do African elephants have big ears? Why they have a big ears?
because they are no they are yes they are
No, look at the screen. They
because
are.
they have them live in hot countries.
Okay, that's it. Now let's
Mm,
proceed.
mm.
Let's move on for number 6. Okay, can you spell this animal? Write your answer on the screen.
Okay.
Spell. Write your answer on the screen, Krinchi. Right. Use your pen. Write the spelling. What insect is this? Quincy?
Butterfly.
Okay, spell butterfly.
A B
Mm-hmm.
but butterfly.
You write the spelling.
Butterfly. B. 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 U. T. Butter. T. E. R. Fly. F. L. E. Y.
All right, Quincy, that is correct. Butterfly. Okay, one more time. How do you spell butterfly?
B. U. T. T. E. R. F. L. Y.
You can sing that actually. Butterfly, butterfly, so that you will not forget. Okay, now for number 7, read the question.
Can some animal live at the bottom
Bottom
bottom of the
ocean.
ocean?
Yes. Quincy, can some animals live at the bottom of the ocean?
Mm, yes.
Okay, yes? Yes, it's correct. One more time. Read the answer, Quincy. Yes.
Yes. There are some sea animals that don't need light.
All right. So, oops, sorry for that. I gave the answer already. Okay, now for number 8, read the question.
Can horse start up and sleep at the same time?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now, how many legs does an insect have?
Teacher with answer. I don't know. Answer.
Okay, do you know what is insect?
No.
Oh, insect like butterfly, mosquito, ants, beetles. How many legs those insects have? Try to guess. 6, 8, or 4?
Sick.
Very good. Okay, so they have 6 legs. Now for number 10.
When this dinosaur become
Extinct.
extinct,
Yes, when?
10 million years ago,
Mm-hmm.
those
Or?
on
Yeah. A, B, C.
I think C. Teacher, I don't hear you.
Sorry, my dear. I said that is correct. So the dinosaurs become extinct 65 million years ago. All right, Vinci. So that is all about the unit 6. Now we will going to the unit 7. Mm-hmm. So I am just going to extend 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes. Yeah. 5 minutes more, okay? Since you are late. Okay, so we will be going to go. What's the title?
Going, moving, and speaking.
All right, so let's move to vocabulary words. Please read it aloud.
Bonk,
Bounce. Again.
bounce,
Next.
shout,
Next.
carry,
All right. Do you understand the words?
push, build, slam,
That is smell.
smell,
Smell.
smell,
All right. Next words.
ground, hard,
Clap.
clap,
Okay, very good. Clap. Next.
cut,
Next.
chat,
Chat. Okay, very good. Next words.
will, why should we?
Again. Whistle.
Whisper,
Next.
whisper,
Whisper.
whisper,
And
hold,
hold. All right, Quincy, do you understand all these words?
no,
No. Okay, whistle. Whistle means like this. Like that. Okay. Whisper, that is like your friend is telling something. Yeah, like that. Yes, exactly. You understand now?
no.
Do
Yes,
you?
yes, yes.
Oh. Okay, next word. How do you read it?
Believer, believer,
Not believer.
believing,
Believe.
believe,
No, Quincy. Say believe.
believe.
Yes. Okay, next word is
Describe,
describe.
describe,
Okay, next word.
use.
Guess.
Yes.
Okay, one more time. Say again. Read again the word.
Believe,
Next.
describe,
Next.
love,
Guess.
yes,
Again.
believes,
No, not believe. It's believe.
believe,
Again.
believe,
Very good.
describe,
Okay, good.
give,
Not give.
gaze,
Yes, again from the beginning. If you will not make it perfect, we are going to the begin.
believes,
No, it's not believe. It's V sound.
be, be, believe,
Very good.
describe,
Very good, Quincy.
Geese.
Good job, okay? Do not forget how you pronounce these words correctly, okay?
Okay.
Okay, this one, track,
Tractor.
okay, tractor.
Tractor.
Okay, this,
Tractor.
this one,
Hill.
heel,
Hill.
and this one,
Test.
no, it's a taste.
Taste.
Okay, one more time.
Tractor.
Correct.
Hill.
This one,
Taste.
very good. Okay, so that's a heel and that's taste. Okay, my dear, so since it's already time, we already spent 40 minutes, so let us just continue the letter A, okay, on the
Okay.
next meeting. Okay, Vinci?
Okay.
Mm. Goodbye and see you again next time. Are you free, Quincy? Are you free tomorrow in the morning?
I don't know.
Okay, I will just ask your mom, okay? We still have one makeup class, okay? Goodbye and good night, Quincy. Bye
Goodbye.
bye.